Okay, I think I am live. Hey everyone. So I decided today I just put my iPod on my sofa. Okay, I am just testing my iPod out to see how to set up a live or to carry out a live process. Yes. So I am Shelly with a YouTube channel, Shel's Island Flavor. I have a dream behind the name, hence the reason for starting this YouTube channel. So I'll just give you a little background about the channel. I do a lot of Caribbean cooking from start to finish. I just started out as a YouTuber and I am seeking potential subscribers who will support me on this journey. So, this was just a quick introduction. I currently reside in City State, Connecticut. Yes, I reside in Connecticut. I love cooking. Baking, it's an overnight thing that if I set my mind to it, I know that I can do great things. So please support me, subscribe, comment, like, share. You know the whole works. Stay with me on this journey. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Shell's Island Flavor. I know the competition is stiff because everyone is trying to do a YouTube channel, especially cooking, and I am not the only one, so I know the competition is stiff. So, what different am I coming with? Most of my meals, I use less salt to prepare them. I barely use MSG. MSG percentage, I would say, is a 5% out of 100%. So, follow me on this journey, and I normally upload 2 or 3 times per week. You can subscribe to my Facebook channel, my YouTube channel, my Instagram channel. It is all under the same name, Shell's Island Flavor. Like, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. I will only be doing this for 5 minutes because it's just a quick trial and an introduction. So I'm looking at my timer to see if I've gone over 5 minutes. I'm just doing this quick introduction. Thanks to my potential subscribers, my current subscribers, those who are watching and have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting on? I just reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. Continue to support me, and there will be big things coming soon in the making. Continue to follow me, continue to watch me on this journey. Any recipe that you would want me to do, leave in the description box, leave a comment. Any other foods you're interested in, leave a comment. In the near future, I might also do a live cooking from start to finish. It wouldn't be anything too long, it would be a quick meal, but I do have a passion for cooking. Baking, I'm gone over 5 minutes, so I think I might do 10 minutes. Cooking, baking, making juices, trying new recipes, experimenting on other cultural foods. So I am Jamaican by birth, and I try to prepare a mixture of a little Chinese, which I might not use the Chinese ingredients, but I do Chinese my way slash my way, my own cooking. In my about section on YouTube, you will see I say it is my way, your way might be different, so support my way and I will support yours. So I was born, raised in Jamaica. I love to cook. I continue to cook. And with everything that's going on, I'm trying to find another passion of mine or during my spare time to see what I can use to maybe reach to other persons because I know a lot of persons like Jamaican foods, but they're not sure how to prepare them. So if you do know of someone, you can tell them about my channel. And as I mentioned earlier, I am also on Instagram, Facebook, and I'm on YouTube platform. So support me. Make sure once you watch my video, you are subscribing, you're hitting that notification bell, you're commenting, and you're also liking my video. So I thank you to all who have supported me on this journey, which started in April. I have gotten to 1,000 subscribers and I'm looking for bigger and greater things. So continue to follow me on this journey. So I'm gonna be looking away on my phone to see if I can see if there's anyone online with any questions because from my webcam on my iPad, I'm not seeing anything. So if I look away, don't mind. I'm trying myself, I wouldn't say used to because I do work with computers, but I'm just trying to get myself more familiar with using an iPad instead of a laptop. I find it easier. My videos too, over time, I have improved on my videos. If you watch my videos to the end, you will realize I leave a recommendation video for you to watch and also another quick video for you to watch. So support my journey. I have big dreams, I have big plans, not only to be cooking, but in the near future, I am thinking to do my own seasonings. It is a baby project that I am working on currently. So I will continue to do this. I normally post once or twice per week. I'll try to give at least 2 videos maximum because it really takes a lot of time and editing when you work full time to do this, but I will stand by you all. Thank you again for the continued support. See you soon. Make sure you watch my videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. Persons are like, I want to see you. So here I am. This is Shelly. Many know me by the name Suzette. This is Shelly, and hence the reason for Shel's Island flavor. So it's not only Jamaican meals. I experiment on American stuff too. See, I did a cheesecake recently. It was the bomb. I've tried other American food because it's a little hard to fit in the Caribbean culture seasoning into the seasonings in the US. And as I mentioned earlier, what makes my cooking different is I exempt MSG because it's a salt that is not good for us. So even if I use a seasoning that has MSG in it, the percentage is like really low. I would say under 10%. So follow me on this journey. Please make sure you leave a comment if you watch this. I'm just here introducing myself to you. Shel's Island Flavor. Love you all.